If I had to start a YouTube channel today, like a brand new YouTube channel, or maybe you just started a YouTube channel, you don't have any subscribers, nothing at all, zero subscribers, zero followers, I would not do what most creators are doing, what most small creators are doing now, because if you do it, you might stay stuck, honestly, and that is what is wrong with my channel today. I did those things and my channel is stuck today. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the things that I would do if I had to start a YouTube channel in this 2026. And please make sure you watch this video till the end because every step is important. Let's start. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This channel is for small creators, YouTube beginners. In this channel, I share YouTube tips that work on my channel that might also work on yours. So when I'm growing mine, you will be growing yours as well. So if you're interested, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell. And please make sure you like this video and watch till the end. Thank you so much. So let's dive into the topic. If I had to start a YouTube channel in 2026, I would not pick a niche. That is the first thing I would do. You might be shocked, you might be surprised. Don't get me wrong, picking a niche is very, very important. But in this case, it is not important. YouTube has a lot of people, like viewers, billions of viewers on YouTube, and their attention span is really, really short. Do you get? So as a beginner that you are, you don't have to do those kind of videos those videos that don't solve problems. Like you don't have to do all those vlog videos, like get ready with me videos and all those kind of videos. You don't have to do it as a beginner. I'm just giving you an advice, a friendly advice. If I had to start a YouTube channel in 2026, I would pick those problem solving videos, those videos that solve problem. I will start creating videos out of it. I won't create videos like all these vlog videos. I won't do such videos because I'm a beginner. Nobody knows me. That is the truth. Because if you create such videos, nobody will watch you, and before you will grow your audience, it will take a lot of time. So what you're meant to do is pick those problem solving videos, and when you create them, you will attract a lot of viewers, because you know YouTube is like Google. People usually go to Google to look for solutions to their problem, and when they type something on Google, like when they type like how do I do this on Google, Google will direct them to a video on YouTube. So you have to be creating such videos so that your videos will be getting recommended. I don't know if you understand me. So that is what I would do if I had to start a YouTube channel. The next thing I'd do is I would build trust before virality. Let me explain it. Let me just break it down so that you understand. YouTube does not care about how viral you've gone or the number of subscribers you have. YouTube cares about trust. YouTube cares about its audience. That is what YouTube cares about. So YouTube does not care if you have 5 million subscribers, 100 million subscribers. It does not care about that. So how do I do this? How do I build trust? I would create clear thumbnails. Thumbnails that whenever I post my videos, my audience will recognize me immediately. They won't have to even read the title to know that this video is from me. I would create clear thumbnails and I will make sure that my videos deliver exactly what my thumbnail says it would. I won't create clickbait titles. I won't create clickbait thumbnails. Make sure that your videos always deliver the same thing your thumbnail said it would deliver. That is it. So when you do such things, your viewers will trust you. You will gather lots and lots of audience and people will subscribe. Like people will always turn up whenever you post a new video, and that is what YouTube wants. So try to do all these things. Try to create trust. Try to build trust before going viral. When I started this channel newly, I was always posting videos every blessed day. Sometimes I would post 4 times in a week. Sometimes I will post 3 times in a week. Sometimes I will post every blessed day. And this was very, very wrong. So if I had to start a YouTube channel again in 2026, I would not post daily. I would not post regularly. I would post one clear video every week. One video every week. And the thing is, some creators will tell you that if you want to blow up your watch time, if you want to grow your watch time, you have to be posting long form content every day, every day, every day. But the truth is, if you're posting long form content and nobody's watching it, your watch time will not grow. YouTube doesn't care about the number of videos you've uploaded. YouTube does not give a shit about it. So that's it. Make sure you upload one clear video. Make sure that your videos are of high quality, like it has like a great lesson. Make sure that people watch the video till the end. That is the only way to grow. So if you decide to check out all these other monetized channel and all these other big creators, you will see that what made them, like what got them monetized was just maybe one video, maybe 2 videos. You don't even need 100 videos to get monetized. One video can get you monetized. One video can get you 100,000 subscribers. One video can get you 50,000 subscribers. One video can get you any number of subscribers, and your watch time too. It can blow up your watch time. So instead of just creating random videos, different videos, and posting different videos every day, try and focus on one video every week, one high quality video every week. That's where your channel will blow up. Then if I had to start again, I would not study big creators. When I started this channel newly, I was studying big creators. Creators like Think Media, vidIQ, those big creators that have millions of subscribers. Like whenever they post videos, they will be getting thousands, hundreds of thousands of views. I was studying them and copying them, creating the same videos as them. So this was a huge mistake that I was doing. So if I had to start a YouTube channel today, I wouldn't copy big creators. I would copy small creators. Those creators that have 500 subs, 1k subs, 2k subs, 10k subs, maybe 20k subs or 30k subs. Those kind of creators, those are the ones that you have to like study. Don't study big creators. Don't, because the algorithm treats them differently from small creators, and you're in the same competition with small creators like you. So try to study small creators. Don't study big creators. If you study big creators, you will not grow. You will not grow. You will not grow. You will just be creating videos that people are not even watching. So try to study small creators within your niche. Then the last tip I'll be giving you guys is I will be creating evergreen videos. You see, evergreen videos, they are the main thing that you have to be creating on YouTube. Those videos that even in the next 2 years, even in the next 10 years, it will still be getting views. Those are the kind of videos you have to be creating. That is it. You have to be creating videos that is evergreen, videos that will never ever die. And there is a video that I created that I'm still proud of till today. I created a video on how to like start a YouTube channel, and till today that video is still getting views, and I'm super proud of myself for that video. Honestly, those are the kind of videos you have to be creating. So instead of creating random videos and posting random videos on YouTube, try to sit down and think, will this video I'm about to post, will it get views? Like, will this video get views even in years to come? Will it still get views in years to come? You have to ask yourself that question before you post a video. Create evergreen videos, videos that will keep fetching you views in the next 10 years. That's the kind of videos you have to not chase overnight success. You know, some of you've heard that YouTube, once you start a YouTube channel, you will get monetized and you start earning dollars, you start earning money on YouTube, and you will just rush and open your own YouTube channel, hoping that, oh, when I post like 5 videos, I would get monetized and I will start making money on YouTube. If you have this kind of mindset, please, I want you to like delete that mindset. Like, don't stop having this kind of mindset, because you will end up getting frustrated. If you don't have patience, you will get frustrated on YouTube and you will give up. So delete this mindset from your head. Delete that mindset from your head. YouTube is not something that once you start, you will just make money immediately. If it was like that, a lot of people would come on YouTube, they would create a channel and YouTube would just be monetizing all the channels. So, and there's this stuff I saw online. They said if 100 people started YouTube, like 95% will give up and 5% will only be successful. So if you want to be part of the 5% or even 2%, if you want to be part of the 2% that will be successful, try to be patient and try to do those things that you're meant to do. You be consistent, create high quality videos, create videos that are evergreen, create videos that will make people watch till the very end, create helpful videos. When you create such videos, your channel will blow up and you will finally get monetized. That's it, you get monetized. So don't chase overnight success. Don't be like, once you start a YouTube channel today, like if you start a YouTube channel today, in the next 2 months, you will get monetized. That was the mindset I had when I started this channel, this particular channel. And till today, I am not yet monetized. But, you know, with time, I had to like adjust and I had to get used to YouTube. Now I'm enjoying what I'm doing. So that's it. Just be hardworking and be consistent. Before you know it, you will get monetized. And when you get monetized, you won't even be expecting it. So just be creating videos, create good videos, high quality videos, and with time, you will blow up on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video. And please make sure you share this video, share my video. And again, I'd like to ask you guys to watch the video card showing on your screen. Watch that card, watch it, click on it, and watch the video. You're going to learn a lot from that video. I'll see you guys in the next one.